Pane chitiko chinoitika munyika yeZimbabwe madevelopments amboda unokuwa kuti General Anselm Sanyatwe vanooneka kuti vakubetsera Vice President Chiwenga kufighta against corruption. Sambira mashukana kuda nyoko panapa ashamisa vanhu ndipo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tina paendo yamajarajara zomukura panapa paendo pake vanonga vachinzi in an operation which is going to be similar to restore legacy. General Sanyatwe is agreed to support Chiwenga in his fight against corruption by targeting criminals, especially the ones who are being shielded by Idi Mnangagwa like Wigno Chivayo. Anoposta picture ramukona nyogwarichinzi Constantino Chiwenga has issued a stark warning, calling corruption in Zimbabwe a direct threat to national security and state sovereignty, as the country faces unprecedented levels of resource laundering and economic degradation. In a powerful statement, Chiwenga acknowledged the dire situation Zimbabwe finds itself in, where the scale of corruption has become impossible to ignore. The Vice President's remarks highlight the mounting concerns of widespread theft and exploitation of national resources. Ndio mashukuru muda panapa achioneka kuti aruta kupera pana majerajera sachiti aiwa involvement ya General Anselm Sanyatwe fight against corruption inogona kukonzeresa uvhiyo. Vatona kuti avasomuguza kuti this VP Chiwenga fight against corruption, people are seeing it as a campaign yaroda kuita for the third term. Tudze mafunguro enyi muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi muchiona Anselm Sanyatwe achibetserana na VP Chiwenga. Tudze mafunguro enyi pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.